If you want to share your location on WhatsApp, I'll teach you how to send it. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application, log into your account, go ahead and open the chat of the person that you want to share your location with, or start a new chat, and then tap on this link icon over here. And from the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on location. Now tap on continue. Tap on while using the app. You actually have two different options. That is send your current location or share your live location. Or you can also go ahead and search for any location nearby or enter a specific address, select the address and send it. This sends the address to your friend, allowing them to see it on the map. You can also tap on share live location to let the person see your real-time location for a selected duration. This is handy when you're meeting someone or want a friend to keep track of your journey. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.